Okay, we got another one here. Then he's going to drop his goop. I'm at Hilltop Park, still March 27th, about 2:45 in the afternoon. Who are these maniac scum suckers? This is ridiculous.
So thanks, John, for talking to us about this UFO, this cylindrical UFO. When did you capture it, and where were you?
Okay, I was in Signal Hill in Long Beach, the top of Signal Hill, recording the Chemjets. They were going over at really low altitudes today. They're getting quite brave about showing themselves lately.
Huh.
But it was about 2:30 in the afternoon.
Okay.
And I didn't see it till I got home. It's not like I saw it while I was there, but it did go by.
Now, what camera were you using?
This was the P1000 Nikon.
Okay, excellent.
And it seems a lot of the times when you are recording these spraying vehicles, there's things around them. And if you look carefully, frame by frame, you're going to see them.
Right.
But this is the second time I've this little worm thing, whatever it is. I don't know what it is, but it seems you edited one of my videos. And it changes sizes. It goes, it's very odd. It moves weird and takes right turns. And
well, I could tell as far as I could see with this, and I'm going to look at it a little closer, but it looks to me that this cylindrical thing was actually above the plane. So, but it looked like it came, within proximity of it. I mean, it was very close to the plane.
Yeah, it looked like it, but just like right, maybe above it, right?
Right. A little bit above it. I'm sure the pilots ended up seeing it if they were paying attention.
If they were pilots. Yeah, I don't know what these these planes look way weird, and they look like drones, and they're so clean looking. They look like they're fresh out the press, models. There's no logos. There's no...
Right. Exactly. There's
nothing.
there was nothing on it. I was also wondering, how high was it? Because you zoomed out toward the end of the video, and I didn't see any chemtrails, but you zoomed out and it looked like it was way up there.
And it stopped spraying at that point, but at the very beginning you could see it was finishing off spraying. If you look at it from the beginning, and then I zoomed back at the end, it stopped. I wanted to see that they stopped it.
Would you say Would you say that it was cruising altitude, about 35,000 to 40,000 feet?
I would say a lot lower in altitude than that. That's what they usually cruise at.
Like half of that? Like half of that?
Yeah, I'd say at least half.
Because it looked very small toward the end of the video.
I know, but I'm just telling you. So, I'm just shooting these guys for a long time, and that was a lot lower than normal.
Right, and I noticed that the plane was crystal clear. You did a great job videotaping.
Oh, I actually had a tripod. Wow.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I believe you had the... I believe it. It came out fantastic.
No, thanks, man.
So probably about half of that. So maybe about 20,000 feet. Probably about 20,000 feet.
Yeah,
so
maybe that.
Wow.
But you just see usually when they're going over, they're so high up there you can't even identify if it's a plane half the time.
Right.
You just see something going.
Exactly.
And but these, they look like commercial airlines coming in for a landing. They were that low, honestly.
Yes.
I was shocked at seeing them that low.
Interesting.
So blatant out there. Yeah.
Interesting. Wow.
Yeah.
Anyway, great job capturing this thing. I'm gonna stabilize it, and we'll see what it. Hopefully, we can see a little more details with it. But great job, great capture.
Thanks, man. Another accident, but my camera's aimed up all day long, so
good job.
You're gonna get things.
Fantastic.
All right, man. Thanks.
All right.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, John. And I'll talk to you soon. All right. Bye-bye.
Okay, take care.
Okay, we got another one here. Then he's going to drop his goop. I'm at Hilltop Park, still March 27th, about 2:45 in the afternoon. Who are these maniac scum suckers? This is ridiculous. This is their job, to ruin the air? I mean, really? Oh, you dropped it, huh? Okay, wonderful. Asswipe.